In today's video, I'm going to teach you install and open Chatgpt in your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a conversation, send your first prompt, read the full reply, keep the discussion going, and use helpful features like voice input and sharing. Start by installing the Chatgpt app from the App Store and opening it on your iPhone. When the app launches, you'll land on the main chat screen. At the bottom, you'll see the chat box, which is where you'll write what you want help with. Tap that box to bring up your keyboard. This is your space to type a question, a prompt, or a request. Think of it like texting a helpful assistant. The clearer you are, the better the response. For example, instead of help with resume, you might say, help me write a 2-sentence professional summary for a marketing resume with a friendly tone. Once you've typed your message, tap send. Depending on your keyboard, you can also press enter. In just a few seconds, Chatgpt will generate a response. You'll see the text appear line by line. If the answer is long, don't worry, it's normal. Simply scroll to read the full response and take your time to review the details. If you want to refine the answer or ask something related, continue in the same conversation. Chatgpt keeps the context, so follow-up questions like make it shorter or add bullet points for skills work well and save you time. Keeping related questions in one thread helps the app understand what you mean and deliver more useful results. When you're ready to switch topics, start fresh by tapping the plus icon or the new chat button. This creates a separate conversation, which is great for staying organized and avoiding mixing different tasks or subjects. You can also use voice input. Tap the microphone icon to speak your prompt instead of typing. This is handy when you're on the go or prefer talking. Speak clearly, review the transcription if it appears, then send it like a normal message. Finally, if you want to reuse the response elsewhere, you can copy or share it. Tap and hold on the text to copy it, or use your iPhone's share options to send it to notes, messages, or other apps you use. That's all you need to get started. Install and open the app, type your prompt, send it, read the response, ask follow-ups, start new chats when needed, and use voice and sharing to work faster. Enjoy exploring what you can do with Chatgpt on your iPhone.